Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 5th, 2024. We've got a lot of exciting updates for you from the world of Apple and beyond. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive in. Apple has appointed Molly Anderson as the new industrial design leader, succeeding Evans Hankey. The Industrial Design Group, established in 1977, has been pivotal in shaping Apple's iconic product designs, especially under Jony Ive's leadership. After Ive's departure in 2021 and Hankey's brief tenure, Apple struggled to find a suitable replacement, temporarily placing COO Jeff Williams in charge. Anderson, who played a key role in designing the M4 iPad Pro, is now leading a team primarily composed of designers who did not work under Ive. Anderson's design philosophy balances aesthetics with functionality, emphasizing thinness and lightness, as seen in the M4 iPad Pro. Her approach suggests a continuation of some of Ive's principles while introducing a more functional perspective. This leadership transition marks a significant moment for Apple's design direction. In 2022, Apple agreed to a $50 million settlement for MacBook owners affected by the problematic butterfly keyboard, introduced in 2015. The settlement, finalized in May 2023, allows eligible owners of 2015-2019 MacBook models to claim payments based on the severity of their keyboard issues. Payments began in August 2024, with amounts ranging from $50 for keycap replacements to $395 for those who had 2 or more top case replacements. The class action lawsuit highlighted the keyboard's reliability issues, including sticky keys and typing failures. Although the claims process opened in late 2022, it was limited to residents of certain states, excluding 43 states from eligibility. Some customers have already received their payouts, with digital payment requests expected to be processed soon. This settlement provides financial relief for those still using the butterfly keyboard MacBooks, which Apple phased out in favor of the more reliable Magic Keyboard by mid-2020. An article discusses the author's experience with an Apple Extended Keyboard 2 from 1990 and its connection to a Griffin iMate Universal ADB to USB adapter. After cleaning and restoring the keyboard, the author attempted to connect it to a modern laptop using the iMate, which entered a USB reset loop, rendering it unusable. The author discovered a mysterious, undocumented CR11225 battery in the iMate, believed to be necessary for certain functionalities. After replacing the dead battery with a CR1220, the iMate began to function correctly. The author delves into the technical aspects of the iMate's circuitry, revealing potential design flaws, particularly regarding noise susceptibility when the battery is absent. The experience led to a deeper understanding of vintage technology and its quirks, although the author remains somewhat dissatisfied with the iMate's limitations and considers exploring other adapter options. Pi Menu is a customizable radial menu application for Mac users, designed to enhance workflow by providing quick access to frequently used shortcuts across various applications like Figma, Slack, and Things. Users only need to remember one command to access their personalized shortcuts, which appear around the mouse cursor, making navigation easier without memorizing multiple key combinations. The app supports Apple's SF symbols and allows users to add shortcuts they may not have known existed through a shortcut Rolodex. Users can customize their experience by selecting their preferred shortcut combination to trigger the menu. The app has received positive feedback for its simplicity and effectiveness, especially for those who struggle with remembering shortcuts. Creator Marius Hauken emphasizes the app's goal of making shortcuts more accessible and user-friendly. Interested users can download Pi Menu from the App Store to start improving their productivity immediately. Muki is a new iPhone and iPad app designed for creating and managing parent-controlled music playlists for children. Currently, it supports Apple Music, with Spotify integration expected soon. The app features a lightweight and user-friendly audio player that allows kids to select their favorite tracks without distractions. Parents can create custom playlists, choosing titles, colors, and emojis to make them memorable for their children. Muki includes a step-by-step onboarding process to help users set up the app and enable features like guided access and password protection, ensuring that kids cannot exit the app without parental permission. The app is compatible with older devices running iOS 15, such as the iPhone 6s and iPad Air 2, allowing users to enjoy its features without needing to upgrade hardware. Muki also offers backup and restore options for playlist data, a direct start feature for quick access to the audio player, and a dark mode for low-light environments. Additionally, it supports both English and German languages, providing a multilingual experience. Privacy is a priority for Muki, as it does not collect any personal data from users. Overall, Muki aims to create a fun and secure music experience for kids while giving parents control over the content. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta, recently discussed various topics, including artificial intelligence, his reduced use of Apple products, and his passion for wake surfing. In an interview, he acknowledged the memes and jokes about him online, indicating he is more comfortable with public scrutiny. Zuckerberg emphasized his commitment to decreasing Meta's reliance on Apple, viewing it as a significant challenge for the company. He believes that diversifying Meta's technology stack is crucial for its future success. Zuckerberg also shared insights into his personal life, revealing that wake surfing has become a significant part of his life, allowing him to unwind and connect with family. The conversation highlighted his evolving perspective on leadership and the importance of balancing work with personal interests. Overall, Zuckerberg's reflections illustrate a blend of professional ambition and personal fulfillment as he navigates the complexities of running a major tech company. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these updates as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights from the world of Apple. Have a great day.